Want to work from anywhere in the world, spending more time with your family? Just 3 steps separate you from your first profit. Today I will show you an effective strategy that can bring you a steady $400. I will break it down from the basics. Watch this video till the end and just 10 minutes your life will be changed dramatically. Alright, I am in the pocket option terminal and now we will add our indicators. We need 2 moving average and fractals. Okay, they are on the screen. Now let's set up our system. For the first MA, we set the period to 50 and change it to EMA. Now let's adjust the color. I will set to the white. You can choose another one. I also make it bit thicker for better visibility. Then let's move to the second one. For this, we just set the period of 200 and also use EMA. Let's make it bolder for clarity. You can choose any color. It's a matter of taste. Now our system is up and running. I will show you how to use it for trading. First, we look at the crossover of the moving averages. When the white 50 minutes MA is above, the asset is rising. This is upward phase. When the 50 minutes MA is below, the chart usually falls. That's the core of 2 MAs. They indicate the direction of movement. Now we need precise entry points and fractals will help us with that. We draw a line from these triangles and wait for the price to cross them. A breakout in any direction signals continuation of the movement. This way we can enter multiple times within a single strand, and it works both upward and downward. The MAs tell us the direction of the price moving and the fractals give us entry signals. It's simple. Let's test this strategy in real time. The current currency pair will help us to do this. I will take a short pause here, and if there are no active downward movement, I will open a long position. In trading, the important not to rush and always control a position at the right time. It's better to play and safe and miss an uncertain opportunity than to take everything that's come your way. Okay, here's a good spot to go along, which I have done. Now let's analyze the situation. First off, the fractal has been broken upward. Second off, we are currently in an upward phase with a white moving average above. Third off, there is an overall upward trend and the small pullback right now isn't a problem at all. This has happened before, so we are just trading according to the strategy. Most of the trade behind us, guys, and I think it will be closed easily. This is absolutely usually things for an informed approach to trading, in which you understand what you are doing. In this case, many traders would have opened a short position, relying on institution outside the system, and that's exactly when they lose money in the long run. Meanwhile, I am close to our trader guide. Just a few more seconds and yes, close the first trade of the day. This asset is too boring, so I will switch to something more suitable. So here we will enter a rising market again. I am opening a long position and will now show everything in details. This is a very intricate movement. The price has stopped right now at the fractal line, and it did so with the help of doji. Such a cross-shaped candle often signals a change in direction, and considering in white May above, we can expect the upward movement to resume. As you can see, we will immediately surged upward. A good start from the trade, guys. I'm sure it will be closed early. I have noticed that doji and other candlestick patterns are rarely discussed on YouTube. As per as other market techniques, if you want to get access to an exclusive information and my personal signal, I recommended subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link in the video description. Meanwhile, I am about to another trade. Yes, another profitable trade. And I plan to stay on this chart for now. Such a position bullish candle suggests a clear continuation and upward movement. Let's enter the market right away. I am sure that another profit is waiting for us here. A quick remark, we will just broke a fractal upward which further confirms the high chances of continued growth. Now let's watch. Our strategy suggested frequent entries, but in always worth staying on the same asset as long as it provides suitable signals. Personally, I make the most money when I trade the same trend for an expanded period. Meanwhile, the situation of the currency pair isn't great. The asset isn't rising, and this could turn into a losing trade. No need to worry. All problems are solvable. Meanwhile, a new candle has opened with a gap down, which is even worse than I expected. If there is no sharp buyout, I will have an offset loss. I am mentally prepared for this and will now show you how to tackle such challenges. Yes, I am in the red, so I immediately double the risk and open a trade. Once again, let's recap the situations. We are in the upward trend with the white moving average position above. We are caught a pause before the upward movement resumes, and increase the risk of $200 should offset the previous loss. This time the asset is performing unexpected. The quanting is rising and I am almost certain it will be end. Loss offset is useful tool, guys, but don't overuse it. Try not to risk too much of a deposit or you could fill your trading account. Start by risking 5 to 10%, no more. It's even better to start with 2 to 3%. I'm almost closing this position, a few more seconds, and yes, another successful trade is finished. Let's switch asset and continue our work. So here is a new opportunity for a good trade. I'm entering here on the sets. Rise will now show you the position of on analysis. First, we are looking at the trend. It's clearly upward. The white moving average is above, confirming the upward phase. We have fractal that the quanting has also crossed. We can expect the outing to raise at least to this level. The price might reach it and reserve it into a new pullback. By the way, this pullback could go all over the way to trend lines I drew early, and from there a new reversal is entirely possible. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. I just show up how to prepare for different scenarios, and your own analysis will guide you. Always note such movement. They will help you navigate the market main objectives. Meanwhile, I am so close to success. Just a few movements and yes, another profitable trade. Friends, let's switch pair again and open the final trade for today. Well. Here the movement clarity. I am opening a long position here, and now we will give you the first breakdown for today. We have a fractal that was broken upward of the price, and there are also a recent MA crossover. Now we are running in an upward phase, a simple yet reliable entry point. Let's see how it turned out. I think you will already checked out the pros of this strategy. If give us tool for success trading, moving average for the big scale, and fractal as a scalp for precious entries. By combining these signals, we move from the general to the specific, achieving success in the long run. I recommended trying this strategy on your own, but test it personally before starting. Don't jump into trade right away. Conduct at least minimal testing. Meanwhile, I am closing another profitable trade. Guys, the final trade for today is complete success. Now let's summarize the video. Everything comes with experience. Guys, to success in this field, you need try new things constantly, set goals and achieve them. I hope you enjoy this content, and the best way to show our support is to press like, subscribe to my channel. This way you won't miss a new video and will help promote my work. I'm always happy to get your feedback from you. Let me know what you think of this video and what you will see next. If you want more here and now, join my Telegram channel. Everything you need to start trading is already waiting for you there. You will also find my personal trading signals. which help you make your first profit. And the best part, my Telegram channel has exclusive promo code that gives you 50% bonus on your first deposit in pocket option. That's all for now. Successful trading, everyone. Bye for now. See you next time.